Hello and welcome to another update video about Rune. I haven't looked at Rune a lot, but I made you aware of the potential breakout of Rune here when we were down at $8, I think. Again, I was actually made aware of Rune by one of my channel members. Good that that happened, because I went into Rune and I talked about it, and after that we moved up quite a lot. So yeah, thank you a lot to everybody who suggests also projects like these. Originally, you know, it was a Cardano only channel, but then we diversified because, you know, eventually the content is for you guys, and we diversified to Harmony 1, Phantom, but also here I covered Rune now a few times, and I think we've now hit a good level, and the chart is looking really good. So obviously we've made it all the way up to $17, which was really impressive from all the way down here in just, you know, a few days really, or a couple of weeks. So that was really good. Since November, however, we are retracing, or we have retraced, found support here at the 200-day moving average, that yellow line. But most importantly, we found support at the 0.786 fib level here at 933. Yeah, so we came down all the way to that fib level here that I already had on the chart in the last video. To be honest, I can't remember where we were in the last video, somewhere up here. But these fib levels, they do work. They provide key support levels. And this was exactly what happened. You know, we found support at a key level, key fib level, and I think now what you can see here is potentially an emerging wave 1, wave 2, and potentially we're now in a wave 3 to the upside. So that might become really a new impulsive move now to the upside. We are now at the key, or we found resistance at the next fib level here, the 0.5 at, let me just see. Yeah, at the 0.5 at 1223. Yeah, so we didn't quite get through there. You can see that we had a wick to the upside, didn't quite get through there, but by doing that, we actually made a new high, even though it was only a brief touch. But yeah, we made a new high, which is a good, you know, a good sign, because overall we are now making higher highs and higher lows, indicating that we could already be in an impulsive move to the upside. We can identify a channel here that could help us guide us 1, 2, 3 touch points, 1, 2 touch points on the other side, which makes a valid channel. So overall, yeah, put that channel on your chart by all means. The resistance point today would be at around, yeah, 1220 roughly, and there is resistance, and support is down here at 1015. So there we are, in a channel to the upside. I think it would be, for me, would be a good time to go in. Now, I'm not doing it. I can't buy, you know, you can't buy everything. It's just, I cover quite a few cryptos now, but I think, or maybe I'll do, because it is looking, it starts to look really interesting. You know, if you zoom out, especially, you can see, made a nice move up here, retracement, move up here, retracement, and potentially we're continuing now to the upside. That is what I would expect. Overall, you can also draw a larger trend line here, above which we still are. You know, we haven't even come back to that trend line. Would have been a possibility as well, to even drop to that trend line again. But overall, I think we are going to continue our way to the upside here at the moment. Looking good. Came down to a key fib level, found support at the 200-day moving average as well, and I think we could now continue our way up. Gave you the next resistance level. After that, we'll have resistance at around 1340, and after that at around 15 US dollars. Overall here on the daily, which is an important time frame, we are still in the bearish range on the RSI. On the other hand, that also indicates that we have a lot of scope here really to go up higher. Also on the MACD, this is losing selling pressure at the moment, indicating we could really continue to go up here, waiting for that buy signal when we cross the 0 line. But it's looking like the MACD is turning around here. We see a reversal point down here. Don't know how good you can see that, but you can see how the blue line is currently turning around, and you'll get a bullish crossover if it continues like that. And also we are about to cross here the 50 line of the RSI on the daily. That's looking like, you know, all good. Also here on the weekly RSI, the RSI is actually continuing to go up, and on the weekly you can see even more how this chart is just looking good. Yeah, we are in an uptrend overall. On the MACD here, it is losing buying pressure on the weekly, but if we now continue to pick up, we will not get a bearish crossover. So that is looking good from that point of view. And also just to make you aware, we had a golden cross here a few days ago, a few weeks ago. Let me just go to the daily again. Here, yeah, no, a few weeks ago. So that was on the 4th of November, indicating further price increases. And yeah, since then, to be honest, we've made it further and higher. And we are now above the 50-day moving average as well, which is currently sitting at $11.10. So we've made it above that as well. Overall, I think the it's pointing towards the upside, and I'm generally bullish here on Rune. Hope you liked that update video about RUNE THORChain. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.